Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is election. So, kapag sinabi election, it is the act of God made before the foundation of the world, in which He chooses certain individuals for salvation. This choice is not based on any merit or good works on their part, but solely on God's sovereign will and grace. Election reveals God's incredible mercy and highlights the truth that salvation is a gift, not earned by human effort, but given freely by God's grace. So, ayon po sa Ephesians chapter 1 verse 4 to 5, even as He chose us in Him before the foundation of the world, that we should be holy and blameless before Him. In love, He predestined us for adoption to Himself as sons through Jesus Christ, according to the purpose of His will. So, ayun po sa ating katuruan, God will never unchoose whom He has chosen. So, never, kumbaga, pipiliin ng Diyos, never niyang iwan or hindi pipiliin yung chosen, yung mga yung napili ng Diyos. So, next naman po is God's election is based on grace, not on merit. So, yung election po na ni God is nakabase siya sa grace, kumbaga sa biyaya. Hindi siya nagbe-base sa merit. So, next po is God's grace is sufficient to transform lives. So, yung pagpapala ng ating Panginoon is sufficient siya para matransform yung buhay mo or buhay ng kakilala mo, kung sino man. So, yung pagpapala ng ating Panginoon ay nakapagbabago ng ating buhay or nakapag-transform sa atin. So, para naman po sa ating applications, find security in God's election. So, hanapin po natin yung seguridad sa ating Panginoong Panginoong Diyos sa kanyang election. So, kanyang election, sabi dito, is the act of God made before the foundation of the world. So, ito yung mga ginagawa ng Diyos bago pa niya buuin yung mundo. So, next is have a worshipful and grateful heart. So, magkaroon po tayo ng mabuting kalooban and worshipful. Purihin po natin ang ating Panginoong Diyos ng walang hanggan. Kumbaga, habang buhay natin siyang i-worship. So, last is prove your salvation by living a renewed life. So, pag nag-salvation na po tayo, dapat isabuhay po natin yung ating panibagong buhay. Kumbaga, iwan na po natin yung mga gawain po natin makamundong gawain. So, ayun lang po, maraming salamat.